If I could give you one simple indicator you could use to predict the high of the day with extreme precision using the power of three, would you take it? Would you use it? Well, listen to this video then. So when price gives the high of the day, right, you don't just rely solely on this indicator. You want to know what's going on over here between the buyers and the sellers, right? Notice how we have a sweep of liquidity over here. So NQ had smart money activated because NQ took out this high and ES did not, right? So this tells us that NQ is where the smart money was activated. But the reason you're able to catch these trades is because when we go over to the ATAS platform, I want you to understand how price actually behaved at this high of the day, right? So let's kind of zoom into this candle. What we can understand just by looking at this is that we had a very, very large volume, right? We had large volume, and the majority of the volume was actually aggressive buying. And the reason we know it's aggressive buying is because we can read the volume and the delta pretty easily. Lots of buying over here, lots of buying over here. We had lots of buying over here. So we had lots of buying that eventually turned into selling. And look at this candle over here. We had a dry up of volume followed by a large volume over here. So when we see a shift of the volume, this shows us that the buyers have failed because we see a lack of volume going to the upside. So now when we take this to a regular candlestick chart, what you want to understand over here is quite simply the market was moving up, but the volume was drying out. We had a lack of volume over here, which is what caused this wick and which is what caused this high of the day. This from here gives you the fair value gap that you can take intraday trades from. So remember, when you don't use volume, it is very difficult to find and see who is in control between the buyers and the sellers.